Fishermen! Today's Thursday, April 9th, 2015. We're over here, Santa Ana River Lake, Christmas Pond. Our last truck is here. We're going to be stocking Sierra bows and lightning trout. We're going to stock Sierra bows here in Christmas Pond. Head over to the big lake, stock lightning trout over there. Remember, this weekend we have the Lip Rippers Trout and Catfish Party, sponsored by Big Five. It's a free event. Still have to pay gate admission. First 200 participants can get in on a barbecue, a raffle, all sorts of cool stuff. Check our website, fishinglakes.com, for more details. Also, we're going to be doing the Corona Lake Fish Out sign up at 10 a.m. The first 50 to sign up on Saturday here at Santa Ana River Lake will be able to fish Corona Lake, help us fish Corona Lake out. Hey fishermen, we hooked up a second shank here on the lightning trout, guys.
That Lip Ripper tournament this Saturday. Come on out, bring the kids out. Free event. A lot of lightning. Woo! Nice toad. Oh! Oh my God! Look at